Hey, welcome to our showroom.
Hi, this is Kevin with EA Home Design.
Hi, this is Ali with EA Home Design.
We are going to give you a short introduction to our new showroom that and Ali is going to do part of it and I'm going to show you the other part of it.
Okay, here we have a very nice electric fireplace that works with the water. This is very unique, and you can see the bathroom part here, which is you can see all different type of the fixtures, and you can see very beautiful piece of art as a mirror and wall faucet and everything here. The freestanding tub is here. We do have different appliances. You can see the coffee maker. Here is the fridge that you can see it here. We have a 48-inch range for display with all equipment in it. The drawer microwave. You can see the inset door, frameless door, and frame door, all of them in one place. And here, as you see, we have different bunch of ports that display different bunch of tiles, backsplashes, and different tiles here, bigger tiles here, and we have a bar area in the back.
Yes, we have a little bit more here tile, a little bit more backsplash samples. Of course, can be used also in bathrooms. Selection of tiling. We have hardwood section here, all beautiful, modern, much more trendy looks of hardwood. You can see some of our design pictures and our work pictures on these displays. And further we go back, here is our cabinet selection. The cabinetry selection, all the cabinet doors, colors, styles that you can choose, and another display for all the pictures of our work that you can see, and more cabinet doors, colors, and selection.
Yes, we are very excited to have you in the showroom. Our showroom is by appointment only. We care about our customer. We try to don't have two customers at a time, certainly right now in this situation, but our showroom is by appointment, and we put all our time with one client, okay, and we respect our client. If you are interested, please book your time on the link below for in-home consultation or for visiting our showroom.
Thank you for watching this. Go and make your appointment. We are excited. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.